Mura, hey, Mura. Blessing like this when I want make I treat una for my house, Abi.
God, have
when
mercy.
your mother died, when you people's mother died, I was thinking that you people will, okay, maybe you consider me and follow my rules and regulations. Let me, I know just want to do anything now. About for more your 35. You know, say I know the waste time to flop this chop your forehead. Let me kill your mother. I mean, not be this muku, not be this muku. Your head big too much. When that woman won't push you out, you kill her. Not be this muku. Make I not remember something. That is not what I want to say. Which one of you, since you people want me to be treating you nowadays like a rat, which one of you disfigure my fish inside that pot?
I go slap you.
Shut up. I will remove your 35. I will remove your 35. Is that what I asked you? Are you the one that disfigured that fish? Yeah, you tell me to play. So every time like this, I will go to the market, buy food stuff, put inside the pot. You may
Oh my! I see that inside that.
You see that inside my pot? Okay, now so Satan they take to drop the stone, no be you do am. I don't catch the movie. If I need that day, so that next time you know go do am again. You say you see rat inside here. Inside here.
In the corner of the pot.
Carry this stone back. Carry this stone back.